Today we were working on taking this wood pile that my grandfather had stacked up 3 years ago, I think. And some of it's a little big for use in the stove. Some of it's just a little hard to hold on to in order to load the stove with. So we're splitting it up a little finer and kind of cleaning up what's come to be quite a mess here. Got some new tools we're using, some stuff we built. So I'm going to show that to you first, and then I'm going to show you how we're putting it to use. Come with me. See Dad's working away while I'm talking. So we built these totes, which we're calling totes. Really, they're pallets. Let me show you one without anything in it. Let's go this way. So here's a bunch. Each one of these holds 1/5 of a cord of wood, and they're pretty simple. This was all stuff that was cut out on the mill. We got some uprights here, 2x4s. They're 2x4s on the bottom, and then all just 1-inch boards holding everything together. These are 4 feet tall, and we can pick them up with the tractor, forks on the tractor. So the idea is to load all the wood in here and then not have to stack it up again like we used to do over there. Not have to stack it up again until we're ready to put it in the cellar. And maybe we won't have to do that, but we're not sure how the space is going to work out. But we've got this wood we need to take care of, and you can see some of it is a little big and the pile's falling down. Some of it's a little big. We've got big rounds here, and it's just a little bit chunky for the furnace. So the task today, or the ongoing task, has been to palletize the wood, but also split it up at the same time. So Dad actually built this, what are we calling this? A wood deck?
Splitter deck.
Splitter deck. We're calling it a splitter deck, which we were just trying out a minute ago. And it's great, it works great. It makes it a lot faster to split with. So we're gonna show you how all that works and get some more pallets filled up. So let's get to work. All right, we're back. We got interrupted by something very important called lunch. The background on this old wood pile is that my grandfather cut and split and stacked it here a few years ago. Since then, he's turned 90, and he's decided not to burn wood any longer. He had a bunch of heat pumps put in. He'd still like to be out here working, though. Cutting and splitting wood is his idea of a fun afternoon outside. So this splitting deck is actually really great. You're not bending over quite as much. You don't have to bend down quite as far. It's good. I'm liking it. As you can see, wood pile is no more. And here we are. Here it is. This is 10 pallets. It's about 2 cord of wood. Gotten as much as more than we expected to get done. Curious about what other people are doing, about, you know, if you're building stuff like this to help you work smarter. I think that splitting deck that Dad built is a back saver, time saver. I think all this went together a lot faster because we've taken the time to get a system going, getting pallets built. Obviously there's a lot of man hours in that, but you only have to do it once. Well, maybe there's maintenance, but it's gonna save a lot of time in the long run, and we kind of wish we'd done it years ago. So I'm curious about what other people are doing. Leave me a note, let me know what you think. If you've got a design that's better, absolutely would love to know all about it. All right, have fun, be good, or not.